Put your jacket in.
Ow, my head.
Did you run that over with the car?
No, I ran it over with you.
Lines up.
Oh, Mari!
Hi, Mari.
Mississippi.
You gonna read the atlas? You're gonna tell us where to go. She's gonna do the directions. This is a new car. Smells interesting. I don't like the new car smell. Oh, she knows she's going in here. She's such a smart girl. You have to be nice to the chairs, though. This is a rental.
Okay, we're Ohio.
You don't even know where Pennsylvania is.
Aha!
On the map, where's Pennsylvania? Okay, wise guy.
Okay, where are we going?
Pennsylvania. That's all I know, actually.
I can't find it.
We're going to HUGS in Pennsylvania. I don't know where that is. I know like the bottom half of Michigan, and that's about it.
Wow.
Oh, like you're any better.
Okay, tell me how to get to Walmart.
Use the roads.
Wow.
In the car.
10 out of 10.
Alright, let's get Mari in the car.
Okay. Mari, goes up.
Don't baby talk her, just talk to her. Look at you. Oh, such a big girl. Wait. If you guys already, how am I supposed to get back there? Here's that. Oh. Well, I thought. Yeah, get back in there.
Keep changing where I'm sitting.
Mari.
It's a magical door.
You got a nice good bit of room, right?
Yeah, she's so good. I love this car. She can see up.
Oh, it's got a sky window.
See, I wanted that seat because it's got its own AC unit.
Oh well. Hello, beautiful.
She's so beautiful and she's the prettiest
Your
one.
breath stinks. Oh my gosh. Don't do that to her.
She has
You
bad
gotta
teeth.
brush your teeth.
She has bad teeth.
Everybody's got lunch now. Except for Mari. She's just staring at me.
You have to be top video.
So she can't eat until you make her all pretty?
Yeah.
That's not fair.
There you go. She's got her.
I don't have to shower before I eat breakfast every day.
Yeah, neither do I.
Okay, don't spill, Mari. Don't make a mess.
Yeah, you should be telling that.
Oh no, we can't help that. Should you do the water in the car? I feel like that's a bad idea because if she doesn't eat all her food, she's not gonna know. Okay, yeah, don't make her food soggy though. I don't think she'll. Oh, she splashed.
Just a little. Okay.
Look at you licking your chops.
She's so cute. I don't think she'll eat without the water.
She's gonna have to.
Okay. Let me move my legs so you can.
She used to eat without the water before she retired.
Alright, there we go. Feast. No? I feel like she wants water.
Bon appetit. Maybe put it on the ground. She's never eaten up high before.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I will.
Yawn.
I still haven't finished my food though. Okay, there you go, baby. Yeah, she's eating now. No, she wants water. Yeah, she wants water. There she goes.
Alrighty. Well, there goes Mari.
move it.
She ate all
Maybe
of
she
it.
wants you to feed her more. That's what she's
She
saying.
ate it already.
Why is she sleeping in her bowl?
She was off her legs a couple seconds ago. That dog. This isn't not funny.
It is hilarious, but you do need to get her out of your seat.
Mari. Chad, this isn't funny. You need to help.
How am I supposed to help? I'm sitting in the front. You move your dog. Mary, come on. Mary, come. I don't know how to get her out of your seat.
No. Come on. I think it was called Wiggly Falls. There's a lot of stairs. There's actually so many stairs. I'll just take the elevator.
Lived in Myrtle Beach, and I worked coast. Me and another guy. There were 12 of us. But anyway, so one of my jobs, I would go to